how your stylist could cost you the wedding ceremony. The bride's morning is always full of emotions, excitement, and timing. Everything is scheduled: makeup, hair, dress, photos, first look, ceremony. Yet, most often the breakdown happens with the makeup artist or stylist. Why? First, they underestimate the time. A trial took an hour and a half, but the wedding day it suddenly takes 3. Second, the stylist might arrive late or bring an assistant with less experience. Third, sometimes the bride changes her mind at the last minute, and those adjustments eat up precious time. So, how do you prevent this? Build at least an 1-hour buffer. If your stylist promises you to finish by 10 a.m., write down 11 a.m. in the timeline. Do a trial run for hair and makeup. This shows you the real amount of time needed. Review the schedule with your photographer and videographer. That way everyone knows when to start and where the buffer is. Book your stylist and makeup artist to begin a little earlier. It's always better if you're waiting calmly than in your guests are waiting for you. If you follow these steps, your morning will be smooth, your photos cinematic, and your wedding day stress-free. Want your day to be perfectly planned? Book a free consultation through the link in the description below this video, and we will give you a special bonus to help with your preparation.